Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, what is happening? Brother V has dropped another music video. This was not on my 2025 bingo card. Huh? So soon? So soon? How did this happen? But I'm very happy. So this song is called okay. If I butcher the name, please correct me in the comments. Hen gaite maige. Is that how it's pronounced? So it's a Kannada song, is what I have been told. I don't want to delay this any further. There are subtitles now. Oh god. Yes, so I'm relieved. Anyway, let's watch this song right away.
Tadi maga bande, jakodalagidiyante. Tadi maga bande. ನಾನು ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬೀಜ ಬಿತ್ತ ರೈತ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತಿಂದ ಹೈಕ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೋಸ್ ನ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಇಡೀ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಸುಟ್ ಹೋಗದ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ನನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವೇನು ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಮು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನನಗೆ ಇರೋದೀಗ ನಾನೊಬ್ನೆ ಕರೆಂಟು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾರಿ ಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ನಾನೇ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ದು ರಾಹು ಕೇತುಗೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾನಿಗೆ ಶೈನ್ ನಾನೇ ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಇರೋದೀಗ ನಾನೊಬ್ನೆ ಕರೆಂಟು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾರಿ ಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ನಾನೇ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ದು ರಾಹು ಕೇತು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾನಿಗೆ ಶೈನ್ ನಾನೇ ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಲೈಫ್ಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತೆ ಟರ್ಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ಮಾತಾಗೈತೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚಿನ್ನ ಈಗ ಲೈಫ್ ನೋಡ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮೈಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗಾಗೆ ನಾ ಕಾದೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮೈಗೆ ಈ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ರೆಡಿ ಆದೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮೈಗೆ ನನ್ ಮಾತೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮೈಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮೈಗೆ
Wait. Isn't he a stand-up comic? That guy? This guy? Okay, I don't know him. I don't know him either. You guys can introduce me to them. You guys can introduce me. I recognize the first guy.
Tadi maga bande. jakodalagidiyante. Tadi maga bande.
He's cooking, man.
ಓಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಯದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೈ ಕೊಡೋರ್ ಜಾತಕ ಓದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಟ್ದೇರ ನಾನ್ ನಿನಗ್ ಪಾಠ ಓದಿಸಿ ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಫೈ ಹೈ ರೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಐಸೈಟ್ ಗಂಜಿಯಿಂದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ವೈಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ನನ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಚಿನ್ನ ನಿನಗೀಗ ಸೈಫೈ ಸಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಆಟೋದಿಂದ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಡ್ಸೋರು ನುಂಗಿಯಿಂದ ಗುಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಸೋರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಸ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಮಾಡೋ ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರು ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಹವಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಈ ಮಣ್ಣ ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲಿತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ದುನಿಯಾನೇ ಈಗ ತಿರುಗ್ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಕಣೋ ಮಗ ಎಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗಾಗೆ ನಾ ಕಾದೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ
ಈ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ
ನನ್ ಮಾತೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಾದೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈಗೆ
I love him so much. Which is this place? It's lovely.
Tadi maga bande. jakodalagidiyante.
This part is so good.
Tadi maga bande.
Hangatta Maige. He needs to keep dropping songs. One song every month. Yes. Okay, let me stop this. My god. Dance Away the Night and now this one. Both. That one also was just so dancey and it was just so much fun. And this one was also amazing. The song actually gave me the vibes of the song of MJ. And so happy to see him do the full song in Kannada as well. So, because he is proficient in he can rap so well in English. We know that he can rap so well in his own language. Then I've heard him in, do Malayalam songs as well. And Hindi verses also he incorporates on and off on his songs. So I just love the variety that he gives us. Oh, I'm just so happy. And also in this shock that how can we get back-to-back Brother V songs, because this is unexpected. I thought, okay, Dance Away the Night, okay, fine, we've just got this song, and now I'll probably have to wait another year or maybe at least bare minimum 6 months for another drop from him. But to my surprise, to my pleasant surprise, we got this song. So I love the instrumental. Let me just see who's the producer here. Oh, this is produced by Brother V only. So lyrics are by two people. Shrikar, the second one is Shrikar Atreya. Okay, great. So I think he gave amazing music to this. Like the composition was amazing, and the song is just so easy and breezy to your ears. I mean, there is no way that you hear the song and you do not vibe. There is absolutely no way. And Brother V can just do any kind of vibe. Like if you want an intense song from him, he can do it. If you want like a comedy breezy kind of song, he flexes so well. He can diss you also. I feel that for me, of all the songs of Brother V that I've listened to, I don't know why, but I feel the comedy songs or like the easy breezy songs are kind of, I don't want to call it his forte. I mean, okay, if you ask me what is my favorite song of Brother V, it's Way Too Easy. I'm gonna love that song forever and ever and ever. But when I see him do these kind of really nice, fun, cool songs, I just feel he shines a little bit more brighter. He always shines bright, but I feel he shines a little bit more brighter when I see him do such songs. So I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope that moving forward in this year, we get to see a couple of more drops from him. What are your thoughts, guys? What are your thoughts on this song? And since Dance Away the Night and this one, obviously the gap between the two songs was not much. So I want to know, were you expecting a second drop from him so soon, or were you not, or were you surprised as I am right now? So please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yes, with that I will end this reaction here. Very enjoyable, definitely gets added to my playlist. It's not even like a question right now. It's done. It's obviously done after this recording. So I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.